Hey guys, it's Richa. Today, I'll be teaching you the hook step to Jeene ke Hain Chaar din. Now there are two parts to this hook step. Let's take a look. This particular song, choreography, and vibe is a little bit cheeky. So you really want to sing along to the lyrics, smile heaps, and have a lot of fun. Now let's get started with part 1. So the first part of the choreography is freestyle. You really want to hit jai jai, jai jai. I would love for you to be creative, add some levels if you can, but I'll show you what I did in the video. 1 for jai jai, and then I drop down 2. It's really good to add levels. Feel free to watch my other videos of other people dancing. They have really cool freestyles in there too. So the next part of the choreography is ek baar to jai. So for that part, what you want to do is you want to have a body roll going from your head downwards. So you want to go like this. And at the same time, you want to bring your pointer finger saying ek baar. So you want to go from here, and you want to go like this. Ek baar to jai. For that part, you want to lift up with your right foot, and then you want to lift up with your left foot. 1, 2. So you want to go ek baar to jai, and then you want to turn, you want to spin. And so when you spin, we are pivoting on our right leg, and when we spin, we're using our left shoulder and left leg to turn. So all you do is like this. So the next part is so for that part, you want to squat, and you want to use your pelvis here. So you want to pelvic thrust. While pelvic thrusting, so this is a 4 count here. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. So you want to pelvic thrust 4 times, and you want to move in a forward direction. So let's put that together. So we have done jai jai, jai jai. Ek baar to jai jawani phir na aaye. So the next part of the choreography is our Muqabla hook step. If you haven't seen that video, it is in my YouTube channel. Do check it out. I'll put it in the descriptions. So for that one, what you want to do is you want to squat, you want to pelvic thrust, you want to have both your hands in a fist position, and you want to punch towards the left side of the room. So you want to keep your left arm like this, and you want to punch with your right hand. So you want to go 1. You want to do the same thing on the other side. 2 towards the right side. And then you want to do a double towards the left. Put together, looks like this. 1, 2, 3, 4. With this one, I use a really good emphasis on the hands when I do it, because it's kind of like Javani Pernai, Javani. So you wanna kind of do it like that. The move after that is Perna Aaye, right? So we're hitting that part of the lyric, and for that, what you want to do is you want to pivot on your left foot. You want to use your right foot, and you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4, moving from the right to the left. So when you do that, you want to use your right hand, and you want to go, nah. Your Javani is never going to come. So, phir na aaye. While you do that move, you want to use your head, and you kind of want to shake it. So we want to go like phir na aaye. All right, guys, we're going to put the whole of part 1 together. So we go jai jai, jai jai, ek baar to jai Javani phir na aaye, Javani. Awesome. Now let's put it together with the music. So that was part 1 for you guys. Now let's move on to part 2. So part 2 of the choreography. The first half of that choreography is exactly the same as what we have just learned. So we have the jai jai, jai jai, ek baar to jai Javani. So we will be learning phir na aaye, Javani, phir na aaye in part 2. All right, so for this part, what we want to do is we want to squat a little bit, right? And while we're squatting, we want to move from the left side of the room to the right side of the room. And while moving from the left to right, you kind of want to use your hands, and you want to do like a little flick like this. I have no idea what this is called. Meh, meh. All right, so what you want to do is you want to have, it's a full count here, so you want to go 1. So you kind of want to move towards the right side of the room, and you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay? So let's do that again. So you squat, you're squatting a little bit, and you go 1, 2, 3, 4. It doesn't really matter which hand you use, so I'd recommend probably using your left hand first, then right, then left, then right. After 1, 2, 3, 4 is Javani. So what you want to do is you want to have your right hand up here. You want to have your left hand down like this. You want to pivot on your right foot, and you want to bring your left leg all the way around. So you want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. As you can see, I am shimmying a little bit here, so I'm just using this to kind of go around. So I want to go 1, 2, 3, 4. When you do that, you want to be facing towards the left side of the room now. And now, with the next choreography, with the next part, you probably would have recognized this because this is the signature hook step from the movie where Salman Khan has a towel between his legs and he like pulls it through. So we're going to be doing that move. So if you do have a towel, that would be pretty cool. So use it if you have it. So what we want to do here is we're facing towards the left side of the room. We're squatting. And we're just pretending we're holding a towel, okay? We're pretending we're holding a big long towel that goes in between our legs, and all we want to do is we want to pelvic thrust while we move towards the left side of the room. So we're going 1, 2, 3, 4. Now let's put together the whole of part 2. So we go jai jai, jai jai, ek baar to jai Javani, phir na aaye, Javani, phir na aaye. Awesome. Let's put it together with the music. Hope you enjoyed this choreography. Let me know your favorite part in the comments below. If you did give it a go, I would love to see your version, so please do send it to me via my social media channels. If you enjoyed this video, please give this video a big thumbs up. Any feedback and comments would be awesome. If you want to see more dance tutorials like this, if you want to see more dance related content like this, please do subscribe to my YouTube channel. I would love it so much. Richa Chandra, signing off.